Hello, I am Adriel Purificacion or also known as Fury dito sa freediving na group. First of all, the CO2 is the family to me. Okay? Pamilya ko yan sa freediving. Okay? When I say that it's family, ito yung concept na kung saan uh, lahat ng bagay ay nagdadamayan kayo. So whether it's your personal affairs, whether labas sa freediving yan, magkakadamay na kayo kasi nga naging parte na kayo ng community. And also, it's because na it's more on the aspect na lahat ng bagay dito is uh, kabalik-balik talaga. For CO2, in the many more years to come, hopefully mag-improve, hopefully we retain na kung ano yung nasimulan at kung ano yung nakasanayan. Make the community proud kung bakit CO2 ang pinipili ng lahat. Make them all proud kung bakit CO2 yung kailangan nilang puntahan.